Hey everyone! In this video you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Let's go!
Hello everyone. My name is Sophie, and this is my best friend, Olivia. We are both 40 years old, and we've been friends for 15 years. We met when we were both flight attendants. At first, we were just colleagues, but after a few flights, we started talking more. One day, on a long flight to New York, we sit together during the break. Olivia made me laugh so much, and I feel like we've known each other forever. That's when we became best friends. Having a best friend is so important. Olivia has always been there for me. She listens to my problems, she makes me laugh when I feel sad, and she encourages me to be the best version of myself. She's like family to me. She's not just my best friend, she's also my confidant, and I know I can trust her with anything. And I do the same for her. We support each other no matter what happens. Today, I want to show you what Olivia and I do when we spend a day together. I'll also tell you about one of our most memorable trips to Italy. It's a trip we'll never forget. So, let's get started. It's a beautiful sunny day, and Olivia and I meet at the park in the morning. The park is one of our favorite places to relax. We walk for about 30 minutes along the path enjoying the fresh air. There are a lot of people walking their dogs, and some children are playing. It's peaceful and quiet. Olivia tells me that Jack, her son, has a new piano teacher. He's learning to play Beethoven's Ode to Joy, and Olivia is really proud of him. She says that he's doing so well with his lessons. I tell her about Max, my dog. He's a bit older now, but he's still very energetic. I laugh and tell Olivia that Max is probably the fastest dog in the park. After our walk, we head to our favorite cafe. We go there often, and the owner knows us by name. Olivia orders a cappuccino, and I order a latte. We sit at our usual table by the window, and the cafe feels warm and cozy. We share a chocolate croissant and talk about our plans for the day. We decide to go shopping at the local market, and then we'll have lunch at Olivia's house. It's going to be a fun day, and I'm excited. But first, I want to tell you about a special trip we took to Italy a few years ago. It's a trip that has a funny and unforgettable memory. Olivia and I took a week-long trip to Italy in the summer. We started in Rome, and the weather was perfect. The sky was blue, and the city was full of life. We visited the Colosseum, the Vatican, and we had pizza at a little restaurant. The food was amazing, and we laughed because we could never finish our meals. We ordered too much. But the best part of the trip was when we went to the coast. We took a train to a small seaside village. The village was beautiful, with narrow streets, old houses, and the sea right in front of us. We walked around the village, enjoying the sights and sounds. After a while, we stopped at a cafe to have some coffee. It was a warm afternoon, and as we sat down, two Italian men walked by. They were both very handsome, and they smiled at us. One of them, Fabrizio, stopped and said, "Ciao, ladies. How are you?" We said hello, and they started talking to us. Fabrizio and his friend Marco were friendly and funny. They asked us where we were from, and we chatted for a while. After a few minutes, Fabrizio said, "Would you like to join us for a walk around the village? We know all the best spots." Olivia and I looked at each other and laughed. We said yes, of course. We took lots of pictures together, and the whole day was so much fun. We even found a beautiful beach and sat on the sand, talking and enjoying the sunset. Back to today. After our coffee, Olivia and I head to the local market. The market is full of fresh fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Olivia buys some strawberries and fresh basil for a salad. I pick up some oranges and a loaf of bread. We stop at the cheese stall and try a new type of cheese. It's creamy, with a hint of garlic, and it tastes amazing. Olivia buys some to make sandwiches later. After the market, Olivia invites me to her house to bake cakes. We've done this many times before, and we always have so much fun. Olivia is a fantastic baker, and I love helping her in the kitchen. Today, we're making a lemon drizzle cake and a chocolate cake. We gather all the ingredients, and Olivia shows me how to measure everything carefully. As the cakes bake in the oven, we talk about the future. Olivia says she's planning to visit her parents next month. We dream about all the places we still want to visit together, like Paris or the beaches of Thailand. I know we'll make it happen someday. After the cakes are ready, we sit down to have lunch. Olivia makes a beautiful fresh salad with the strawberries we bought earlier and some grilled chicken. The cakes smell so good, and we both can't wait to have a slice. We start talking about how important it is to have a best friend who you can trust. After lunch, we sit in Olivia's garden. The sun is setting, and the sky is full of beautiful colors. We talk about our plans for the weekend. Olivia's family is going to visit the beach, and I'm going to take Max to the park. We also talk about future trips. Olivia says she would love to visit Japan, and I think it sounds amazing too. Maybe we'll go together one day. And that's it for today. Thanks for spending the day with Olivia and me. We had so much fun, and we hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun adventures.
Useful vocabulary.
Best friend, flight attendants, colleagues, confident, trip, sunny. Relax, path, fresh air, piano teacher, energetic, cafe. Chocolate croissant, cozy, shopping, local market, seaside village, narrow streets. Grilled chicken, drizzle cake, cheese stall, encourage, trustworthy. Important phrases. We've been friends for 15 years. She makes me laugh. She encourages me. The park is peaceful. It's a trip we'll never forget. The village was beautiful. We support each other. We sat on the sand. The cafe is cozy. The sunset was amazing.
Like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. And see you in the next video.